last lab? Do you remember? In the last lab, what we have done? Which programs we have done?
Ma'am, we have done scanner function.
We have done scanner class in the last class, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So inputting the data from user is done. All right. Okay. So I'm writing few questions here. All right. You try and perform these questions.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. First, we have done this question. Write a program to print all odd numbers in a range, in a given range. Those questions we have done.
No, ma'am.
Okay. 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 Good. Good.
No, ma'am.
Okay. Okay. Next, I give you. You know how to find the distance between you know between the centers of two circles. Those formulas you remember in mathematics. You might have done this. You remember this in mathematics. Given, I know what is given in the question is you are given the coordinates, right, of a circle, right? And you are given x and y location of the circle, center of the circle, and you're also given the radius of the circle, right, of two circles. You need to check if the circles are overlapping or they're inside each other or not. That kind of question. Can you think of something in that kind of question? Shall I put out the question here and I'll give you, I'll give you minutes to, think about it. Okay. Let me just frame the question here. Yes, you are right, Bhavdi. Yes, you are right. Okay. Next, what I can give you is, oh, this is very easy. Write the program to print all the factors. Prime and not prime. Okay. Of an input number. Example, if input number is 12, and output should be 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 12 itself. 4 questions. All right, let us first start working on the first and second question. Okay, then we'll move to third and fourth. I will be back in 2 minutes. All right, students, I'll be back in 2 minutes. Yes. Anybody facing any questions, any queries in the first question? You're doing first question, right? Oh, see, people are sleeping in the class. They are not answering. Okay. Which question you are doing then?
Ma'am, 1 and 2 done.
1 and 2 done. Oh wow. Can you show it to me?
Sure, ma'am.
Okay, okay, good, good, Hitesh.
Ma'am, is it visible?
Yes, 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 I can see your screen. Okay. So we are using.
Ma'am,
Hmm, okay. You have entered the input number already. You are printing all the odd numbers, right?
yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, okay. See, the first question was, Bacha, you have to print first n odd numbers. What you have understood is you have to print numbers, odd numbers till n. Here's the
Yes,
logic
ma'am.
of it, right? But printing n odd numbers and printing odd numbers till n both are different thing, no?
Okay, okay, okay.
Ah, yes, yes, yes. Yes, yes, yes. You can go ahead and let me see the another question. Okay, printing the multiples of 3, right? Very easy question. Here you can use this. Print, this is logic is correct for that. Okay, right now.
Okay,
This
ma'am.
logic is correct. Yes, yes, yes. Only for that you have to use that logic. Okay, okay, yes. Good, good, good. Okay, the last one is the fifth question, not the fourth question. Okay. Anybody facing any queries, any questions in the first question, second question? Talk to me, okay? If you don't know how to even start from scratch, from the first point, then also I can explain it to you, okay? Just raise your hand, I'll help you out, okay? Thank you, Mahesh bhai. Anybody struggling with any of the questions? First question is done. Everybody who has done the first question, raise your hand. Everybody is doing okay. Yes, yes. Okay, who has done the first question? Raise your hand. Yes, yes. Howdeep, you have done the first question. Okay. Prithvi Prasad, which question you are working on right now? First is done. Oh, okay. Share your screen. Let me see.
Is it visible, ma'am?
Yes, yes, yes. I can see your screen. Okay. Oh, okay. 2 raised to n. Okay, 2 into n. You directly use 2 into n. Continue. Otherwise, you are printing. Oh, okay. Oh, okay, okay. Good, good, good. Yes, yes, yes. I can see. Yes, yes, yes. Okay, good, good. Yes. Now, which question you are working on? Second.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, okay. No problem. Yes.
Can I
Vibhucha?
stop sharing, ma'am?
Yes, yes, yes. You can stop sharing. Yes, yes. Vibhucha, which question you are working on, beta? Vibhucha? Yes, Kriplani, share your screen. What is the error? Let me see. Yes, yes, share your screen. Oh, okay, okay. See, The slash n that you have used is backslash n, not forward slash n, okay? Yes. Okay. Can you? Oh, yes, the class name. What is the class name? See, the class name, M is capital. You have mentioned it. No, that is correct only. Just M is capital. As the name of the class is public, no? The name of the class should be same. Yes, now will you try? No need to close the object of scanner. Why are you closing it? No need to close. You can remove that. Okay. What it is telling? Oh, you have used println. No, that must be printf. If it is println, you don't need %d and all. Yes, for printf you will need that. Okay, good. Yes. Now it is working fine. Yeah. Oh, let me see. 54 is not an odd number, no? Okay, yeah, you are printing multiples of 3. All right, okay. Yes. Then it is correct. Yeah. Isha, which question you are doing now? Isha?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, which question you are doing now?
मैम मैंने 2 क्वेश्चन किए हैं अभी थर्ड
Okay.
क्लास कर रही हूँ.
Yes, share your screen with me, bacha. Let me see.
Yes, ma'am.
Janvi is present. Janvi is absent. Okay. Bharti is absent. Sushil Prasad present. Second question. Okay.
Ma'am visible?
Yes, I can see your screen.
Ma'am, I have forgotten the question statement. What was to be supposed in a little bit in first
Which-
or 2000? Both of them.
Which
Question.
first and second both? Okay.
Yes.
Okay, I'll paste it. Yes. Okay. Let me just give me 1 minute. You are printing the odd numbers. Okay, you are printing n odd numbers, right, bacha?
Yes, ma'am.
See, this question is for this. The answer, the solution that you are writing is for printing all the odd numbers till n. Okay, it is printing all the odd numbers till 27, right?
No, ma'am. ये तो आउटपुट सेकंड क्वेश्चन का है. थर्ड the multiplication by 3.
This is which question you are? Can you repeat that? Can you repeat what you are telling?
Yes, ma'am. ये जो आउटपुट था ना वो तो क्वेश्चन 2 का था.
Oh, okay. Okay. Oh, you're printing n. Okay. Yes, it is correct then. Yes. Okay, this is the second one. Okay, yes. Multiples of 3. Yes. Okay, got it. Yes. Done. Question number 1 was.
मैम
Yes.
मैम सर्कल से ओवरलैप करने की मैम कंडीशन क्या होगी फॉर्मूला?
Okay. See, circle 2, no, another circle is inside circle 1. If the distance among these two centers is less than the mode of radius 1 minus radius 2.
ओके मैम.
Okay. And circle 2, another circle will overlap this circle 1 if the distance between two centers is less than or equals to summation of both the radius, right?
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, yes. I'm mentioning question number 1 and 2 again. Yes, Meghna, which question you are doing? Meghna? Okay, okay. Mohammed, what happened? Your internet connection connectivity is not good. You are signing off and coming on again, Mohammed. Okay, okay, no problem. Okay, okay, yes, yes, no problem. Priyank, which question you are doing? Not well, not well. Okay, so you are joined with your phone, right, Priyank? Okay, okay. That is fine, but which question you are doing? I'm asking you that. Oh, okay, okay. Okay, okay, okay. Yes, Yash. You joined just now. Why? What happened?
No,
Oh,
ma'am, I have joined from the another device now.
oh, okay. Okay, okay, okay. Okay, very good, Bhavdeep. Very good. Yes. Janvi? You just joined the session, right?
Yes, ma'am. Actually, I joined first only. Actually, facing some issue in NetBeans, so that's why I left. Now it's all right, ma'am.
Okay. So which question
I
you will
had
be doing? Mhm.
first and second question was over, ma'am.
Okay. Working on third now?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, yes. Now, once you're done with the third question also, no, then you share your screen, okay? I want to see your logic.
Hello, ma'am.
Yes, Bhavdeep.
Ma'am, how will
Yes.
we solve the third question? Like, can you give some idea?
Oh, okay. So,
Ma'am, like we have the formula like we have one radius and two coordinates like x and y
yes.
of outer circle and inner circle. But how will we determine that it is inside or outside?
Okay. Okay. You know how to find the distance between two centers, right, of the circle,
Yes, ma'am.
right? By using x2 minus x1 wala formula.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Now, if that distance between two centers, right? If it
Yes, ma'am.
is less than subtraction of both the radius,
Okay, ma'am. I got.
right? Yes, exactly. Mhm. Or the summation, right?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Exactly. Yeah.
Ma'am, can you please repeat the question statement of the third question again?
Okay. Yes. Okay. So what is the question is what you need to enter is you need to enter the coordinates of the circle, right? X1, y1 and x2, y2. You enter two coordinates of the circle and radius also, right? Of both the circles, right? What you need to determine is whether the circle, there are two circles, circle number 1 and circle number 2. Whether the second circle is overlapping the first circle or not. Or is it inside the first circle or not? Or is it outside the first circle or not? That is what you need to determine. Okay. Now, if you know how to find the distance between the two circles using the coordinate formula, then you can find the distance, right? Using x1 minus x to the whole square. Remember that formula? Plus y2
Ma'am,
minus
if the coordinates are h comma k and h1 comma k1, then under root h square plus k square minus r
yes.
square वाला वो है
Yes.
मतलब I am just confirming that same formula we are going to use.
Yes, same formula. Square root
And
of
it is greater than 0 or that kind of, I think. I
yes.
don't remember exactly. That's why I'm confirming that
Yes.
which formula is used in.
Yes. The formula is correct. Finding the square root formula is correct. Okay. Under root of x center of both the circles, right? Subtraction of and the square of it, plus subtraction of the y coordinate square, right? And the under root of this thing. That is correct. Okay. Now, if this another circle is inside the circle 1, then what will happen? If you subtract both the radiuses of both the circles, right? the distance that you have found out, it will be less than or equals to the subtraction of both the radius, right? The
Yes,
distance
yes.
between the centers, it will be less than the radius subtraction, right? If it is
Yes.
inside, right? But if it is outside or overlapping it, then the distance will be less than the summation of both the radiuses, right?
Yes.
Yes, that is what the
R1 plus R2. Okay.
Exactly. That is the question, right? Okay, if you are facing the problem in the first question, then you raised your hand. Okay. Anybody still doing the first question or having issues in the first question, not getting the question, I will write the program for you. Okay, raise your hand. Just raise your hand. I'll write the program for you. Okay. I'll explain it to you. I'll explain each and every point in that question. Just don't copy and paste from other sources. Okay, just use your brain. If you're not using your brain, if you don't know, I am okay with that. Okay, but just tell me that you are not done. If you're having issues, tell me, talk to me. Okay, Riplani, third is done. Wow, can you share your screen? Okay, you're all done except third. Okay. Once you're done with third, then share your screen. Neither you have done.
Yes, ma'am. My third question.
Yes, can you share your screen? I want to see. Until and unless you are not satisfied with what you are doing, talk to me, okay? If you copy and paste, internally you are not satisfied. Talk to me if you're not satisfied with your program, okay?
Ma'am,
Okay, yes, let me see. Yes. Okay, I can see your screen. Okay. Oh, good, you have used mat.power. Okay. I want to see the distance formulas.
first I calculate the distance here.
Mm-hmm.
And then use the dist here. And
Oh, yes. Okay, you have used power 0.5, so it is square root of 3. X2 minus x1 and the right minus and summation. If that distance is there, you root, you use this absolute. Okay, when it is inside. Okay, and do is correct. Yes, it is correct. Good. Yes, Nidhi. Okay, so you're done with all the questions, Nidhi?
yes, ma'am.
You're done with all the questions?
Ma'am, I'm doing fourth one.
Okay, doing both. Good. Okay, people who are still doing the first question, raise your hand. Okay, you all have done the first question. Okay, people who are still doing the second question, raise your hand. Runal, you late joined. You have joined late. Why? Yes, Runal Chauhan. Okay. So I'm putting first and second question again. Okay, I want you to work on the first question first. All right. Runal, these questions are for you. Okay, question number 1 and question number 2. Mohammed, which question you are doing now? Mohammed. Okay, you are struggling with the first question. You tell me, are you struggling with it? I have different easy logics for the first question. Okay, if you are facing issues, you tell me. Okay, ma'am is for what? Do you want me to give the solution for that? Do you want me to explain, Mohammed? I'll explain it to you if you want, okay? Okay. Now, Meghna, which question you are doing now? Second done. Okay, good. Can you share your screen? Let me see. No problem. You can share your screen on phone also. I'll check it. No problem. Okay. Oh, okay. Then what you need to do, Meghna? What you need to do is just turn your camera off your phone or on your device. Okay. Oh. Just turn your camera. Just turn your camera on your phone, okay? And then show it to me. Kriplani, share your screen, bacha. You want to see the logic. Okay. If radius 1 is greater than radius 2 and okay, the distance is less than or equals to radius 2 minus radius 1. Okay, checking for positivity over there, negativity over there. You have made one more else if condition. Okay, understood. Okay. Distance formula, you have multiplied, okay, plus and then just you have used 0.5. Okay, I got it. No, I got the gist. No need to run. I got it. Okay, for power, you have not. Okay, good. X2 minus x1. Okay. Y2 minus y1. Fine. Into you have done, and then you use 0.5 for calculating the root. Okay, good. Kriplani, you are done with all the questions, right? Kriplani, done with all the questions. Then I have another question for you. Okay. Will you solve one more? Do you have energy for that? Okay. What you need to do is, you need to create, Kriplani, can you listen to me, right? I'm not typing the question here, I'm just talking to you, okay? You can hear me, right? Kriplani, okay. What you need to do is, provide with an equation to user, okay? Like simple equation like 5 minus 2, okay? Like a quiz system. Provide a simple 5 minus 2, that information to the user, then user has to print the correct value, okay? He has to subtract it correctly. Until and unless he is not giving you the answer properly, keep on taking the input constantly from user, okay? Once he gives the output correctly, that 5 minus 2 is 3, then only exits the program. So print well done and then exit the program. Okay, are you getting? Ask any question, okay? Any question, all right? Simple addition, simple subtraction. Are you getting this much first? Okay, should I also change the question after every correct answer? Okay, only once you need, okay, that is also you can do, okay? Otherwise, only one run you can do, only one run. But in that run, what I want you to do is, if you are printing the summation, if you're asking the summation of two numbers, then both the numbers should be randomly generated, okay, from the system, all right? Two random numbers from the system, you can put addition, you can put, okay, yes, you got the gist, okay, yes. Avdeep, do you get that question, what I'm telling? The next question. Nidhi, are you getting the next question?
No, ma'am, I didn't heard.
Okay, what you need to do is, create a quiz kind of system for user, okay? Just arithmetic quiz, nothing special, okay? Just ask user to print the answer of the equation that you are giving to user. If you are giving the equation as 5 plus 2, then user should print 7. User should input 7. Until and unless user doesn't input 7 or the correct answer of that equation, keep on entering input from user. Okay. If he enters the correct answer, no, then only print that, okay, your answer is correct. You have well done and the system, ends the program. Are you getting this much?
Okay, ma'am.
But-
But like we did before some assignment where
Yes.
we wanted to when answer should be 0 and then we break the loop like that.
Yes, exactly. The user should wait okay. Now, one more addition to that is when you are generating two numbers, no, whether you are doing summation, multiplication, or any arithmetic operation, whatever operation you are doing, both the numbers should be generated randomly from the system. Okay. So there is not a fixed answer every now and then. The answer will vary. When you rerun the program, the answer the operand should be vary. Okay. Nidhi, are you getting this?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, okay. Yes. Bhavdeep, Kripalani, okay, you are working on this only. Sushil Prasad, which question you are doing? Mr. Chaurasia? Oh, okay. After you're done with the fourth one, no, Chaurasia, share your screen with me, okay? I want to see your logic. Nice present. Divya is there? Divya is not there. Priyank, which question you are doing, beta? Okay. Priyank, which question you are doing? Numbers will be randomly generated, but the operation that is to be performed will also be random. Oh, if you can randomize that, it is wonderful. Will you be able to randomize that? The operands. The operator, will you be able to randomize? Talk to me, Kripalani, how are you planning to randomize that? I'll give you the solution, but okay, okay. Okay, yes, you can do it without that. Okay, no problem. Anybody facing any issues in any of the question, tell me or talk to me. Okay, okay, Vibhusha. Yes, yes, of course, of course. Okay. Let me share my screen with you. Are you able to see my screen, Vibhusha? Okay, okay. See, in that question, what is given to you, beta? You have to input the center of the circle, right? You need to input this point. You need to also input another point. Okay, this point. Okay, this is, say for example, x1, y1. This is x2, y2. Okay. Now you know how to find the distance between these two. Okay, you know how to find the distance between these two using the distance formula. Okay, it is under root of x2 minus x1 square plus y2 minus y1 square. Right, this is the formula for finding the distance between two circles. Okay, you are inputting these four things from user. You are inputting x1, y1, x2, y2. Another thing that you are inputting is the radius of both the circles. Okay, this radius of both the circles, radius 1, radius 2. Right, now if this distance, right, if this is greater than the subtraction of both the radius r2 minus r1, then what do you think the scenario will be? The circles will be outside, right? The circle number 2 will be outside circle number 1. Am I right? Vibhusha. Yes, yes, yes. Okay. So that is the formula that we are using here, right? But if the summation of these two radius, if the circles are, inside one another, right? If this is the scenario, then summation of these two radiuses will be again less than the distance. But that is what the summation of R2 and R1, right? The distance between the circles will be greater than the summation of both the radiuses, right? That is the formula. Just put if and else over here, right? Are you getting now? Okay. Okay, okay, no problem. Yes. Okay. Anybody facing any questions in question number 1, 2, not 3, but 4, You mark these questions, okay? Write it somewhere else. I will not have the copy of the questions. See, I am randomly assigning you questions, okay? Just mark the question somewhere else, okay? Write it down the questions. The same questions we can continue in the next class also. Right? The next lab also we can work on the same questions, okay? Anybody is marking out the questions that we are doing here? This will be kind of your lab manual also, okay? Lab assignment also, right? So please mark the question somewhere, okay? Okay, I've already taken the attendance. You all can leave the session, no problem.
हेलो मैम
Yes, yes, Mohammed.
मैम एक्चुअली मैम पिछले लेक्चर मेरा अटेंडेंस लग नहीं पाया था मैम
Okay, कब कौन सा लेक्चर में?
यस मैम इससे जो पिछला वाला था 9 to 10 वाला
Okay, I'll put your present, okay? No problem.
Okay.
Yes, yes. Put the question, see, mark this question somewhere. I'm not writing all the questions, okay? Write the questions at the end of the semester when you have to submit, no, you will require these questions, okay? Mohammed, okay, Mohammed Kaif, right?
यस मैम AI 34
34, no? Okay, okay, no
Yes.
problem.
थैंक यू मैम
Yes, yes, yes. Yes, yes, you can leave the session. Yes, yes, Kriplani, no problem. You can show it to me in the next class, no problem, okay? Next lab, you can show it to me.
Ma'am, attendance for this session?
Done, I have marked it. I have marked it later.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, okay. So